Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Polygon Matic chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Polygon Matic has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to trade within, that is above this ascending trend line that I have here on the charts, which now means that we are still in an uptrend, and as long as we continue holding above this ascending trend line, then there are high chances that we could see another massive pump to our key areas of resistances at around the $0.9755 mark, and a break above that will help us get to the next key area of resistance at around the $1 mark, and maybe continue seeing higher prices. But if by any chance we continue seeing further breakdown, and maybe at some point we lose our ascending trend line that I have here on the chart, then that would suggest further breakdown in a move that could possibly take us to our next key area of support at around the $0.7853 mark. Polygon Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and if I zoom out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis here on the Polygon Matic chart, you can see that after seeing our July lows, the June lows last year 2022, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has also been obeying this ABC corrective structure in that breakdown to the lower side, where you can see that I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we have that overshooting wave B, and I was expecting one more leg down in the formation of that wave C to the lower side to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2. And to give you minimum target areas, I connected the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1 at around the $1.3 mark, giving me a minimum retrace for that second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that lies between the $0.8023 mark and the $0.6863 mark, the area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we didn't quite fully maximize. And you can see that at some point, as we were seeing that breakdown to the lower side, we saw a reaction of the fib level 0.5 over here. Then we saw a bit of a bounce to the upside, and as a result of that, that made me think of a 5-wave move to the lower side within the formation of this wave C, which is an impulsive wave, where I have been terming this as the wave 1, then a wave 2, then a wave 3, then this is possibly a wave 4, though we have not yet fully maximized our target area in the formation of that wave 4, which lies between the $1.03 mark and the $0.9894 mark. And that happened because we faced key area of resistance at around the $0.9755 mark, and that's why we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side. And there are chances that in case we continue holding above this ascending trend line, then we could possibly see that one more run up in the formation of that wave 4, fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 4, then expect our massive pullback in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our target area in the formation of this wave 5 to the lower side. We also need to have in mind that in case such a move plays out and we continue seeing higher prices, and maybe at some point we manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark, then at that point I'll be considering a bullish scenario here on the Polygon Matic chart, where we can say that that low for that second wave was in, by the low that we made at around the $0.8213 mark, and we are now ready for a massive pump in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And from that point we can start tracking a 5 wave move to the upside to fully confirm that you have seen the low for that second wave, and that now we are in the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3. And that is what I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart on the short-term point of view, and also on the long-term point of view, and also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI. We are trading at around the 51 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.